Clean that very well, ha? Okay, and then clean the spoons. Diba you're helping mommy? That's why you're a very good boy. Okay. The spoons pa, ha? Are you tired na? No, you still can do it. You can do it. Ira, Mikkel, can he do it? Come on. Daddy's home. You hear that? That's Daddy. Is anybody home? Tell Daddy we're not home.
We're not home! No!
Or you scrub that well, ah.
No!
The other one, your water jug. You scrub it.
Oh, you're washing your own bottles.
He's helping mommy. Now he cleans his own
Alright.
plate and spoon. The plate, no, mommy cleaned that.
Good
The spoon
job.
in his water jug.
Good job.
You tired na, Aya?
No.
No?
Kiss
Where
mo na.
was that?
Why are you wearing that, Daddy?
I'm from the office.
Why
I came from the office.
No, the red.
Which one? This one?
The red.
Okay, this is the red one.
Number white ranger does have that.
Hajo.
Number white ranger have that. Remember that one.
Yes.
The red.
Oh, you finished your
Okay. Oh, enough na. Mommy will
Washing
rinse that.
so-
Good job. Good job. Daddy, hugasan mo ng kamay.
Come on, wash hands. Good job. Good job. Oh, put it down, put it down. Mommy will. Yes, mommy will rinse it. Good job. You've been helping mommy.
And then I see the bird.
You saw the bird.
Yung
right?
ibon doon, no? Ayaw umalis kanina pa.
I did.
Kanina nakahapo yan dyan sa ano.
Pero,
You look here.
pero.
Yeah, it's look here. It's
Big
look
one.
here. It's
Tita ba
look
ibon?
here.
Maybe he likes to play with you.
No.
Huh?
No.
Maybe it's the Power Ranger bird.
He's like a bird.
Huh?
He's like a bird.
It's like a bird. He is a bird.
Ira, smile. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye, guys. Bye, guys.
See you
Time to
later.
eat.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, baby.
And that.